Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to organize Lightroom photos. I know organizing photos in Lightroom can be a hassle. So to organize it better, I'm going to show you an easy hack. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Lightroom app on your phone. Now go to Edit section here, and from here, click here to navigate to your albums and folders. Now what you can do is create folders and albums to keep your photos organized. So to do that, simply click on Create New. Now from here, you can either create an album or folder. So simply I'll create an album right here. And once you are happy with your album name, click on OK to save changes. Now if I click on Last Summer, my folder is empty. Now to add photos to this album, simply click here and choose Gallery, and we'll be able to choose photos from our gallery in this album. And similarly, you can click here and create another album just like this and add other photos to these albums. And in this way, we can organize photos in Lightroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.